Okay then, so what we're going to look at is sequence in Python. So in any programming language, sequence is running each and every single line of code. And when you type in sequence, say we create a variable x and put 50 and y and set it to 20, and then we print x plus y, this whole thing is a sequence. As you can see, it just ran through each line of code, sets the variables, prints out. If we want to, we can put import statements in. So if I import time and then do time.sleep and give it 2 seconds, and that 2-second wait, that's all part of the sequence. As you can see, every single line here, whether or not you actually see it in the shell, every single line has been run independently. We could also add things like input statements, so I'll use that int there to make sure the input becomes a number. And again, it's waiting for me as part of the sequence. And a couple of seconds, and there we go. That's how simple sequence is. Anything where you have a line that gets run is a sequence. If the computer cannot refuse to run a line, it is sequence.